Selecting whole word using keyboard only. Suppose that I'm writing some text and the caret is in the middle of a word. I would like to be able to select that word without using my mouse. Using the mouse, simply double-click on the word. I have found the following, but it's kind of clunky. Ctrl+, to go to the beginning of the word. Ctrl+Shift+, to select the whole word. Is there a better way of doing this?
On macOS, create a file, ~library/keybindings/default-keybinding.dict, with the following content. If the file already exists, add the second line above within its top-level braces. Restart, quit and start again, and apt to apply new key bindings. Now you can press W, Ctrl W, in any native application, i.e. not Firefox, Eclipse, etc., to have it select the current word. You can customize the shortcut, is Ctrl, Option, $Shift, at Command. Some applications include menu items for this action. TextMate, for example, uses the W shortcut for Edit Select Word by default.
There is a better way. Auto hotkey. This URL. Or if you are in Visual Studios, Ctrl W selects the whole word.
In MS Word, press F8 once to enter the extended mode, twice to select the whole word, 3 times to select the whole sentence, 4 times to select paragraph and 5 times the entire document. Press Escape to exit the extended mode.
Here is a more efficient key sequence to send with Auto Hotkey. It will work both when the cursor is inside a word and when it is just before the first letter or just behind the last letter. Should work globally in Windows.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.